In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Jira. To get started, open Jira and look to the left-hand side of the screen. From there, go to Projects or Spaces, depending on the version or setup you are using. This is where you will find the area you want to customize. Once you are there, select the project you want to work with. Make sure you choose the correct one, since the field you create will be managed from that project's settings. After opening the project, find the three dots next to it. Click those dots to open the Options menu. Then choose Space Settings or Project Settings. The wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You are opening the settings for that specific project so you can manage its configuration. Inside the Settings area, look for the Fields section and click on it. This is where Jira stores and manages the fields connected to your project. If you've already created fields before, you may see them listed here. If not, that's completely fine, you are about to add a new one. Next, click Add Field. This starts the process of adding a field to your project. At the bottom of the available options, click the plus icon next to create a new field. This is the option you will use when the field you need doesn't already exist, and you want to build one from scratch. Now you'll be asked to enter the details for your custom field. In the name box, type the name you want to give the field. Choose a name that clearly describes what information the field should collect, so it's easy for everyone on your team to understand and use. Then select the field type from the drop-down menu. Jira gives you several options here, such as short text, number, drop-down, or checkbox. The type you choose should match the kind of information you want users to enter. For example, short text works well for quick written input, while a drop-down is useful when you want people to choose from predefined options. After that, add a description. This is helpful because it tells users what the field is for and how they should fill it out. A clear description can reduce confusion and keep data more consistent across your project. Once everything looks good, click Create Field. Your new custom field will then be added to your fields list, and you'll be able to see it there with the rest of your project fields. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom field in Jira. Thanks for watching.